This video provides suggestions for regaining independence in doing laundry. Initially, when your oxygen level is less than 90 and you have limited energy to do daily activities, it is recommended to outsource your laundry if possible. Collect and get your clothes cleaned and ironed once a week. As you recover and your oxygen level improves to more than 90, use the following suggestions to do your laundry. If you are washing clothes by hand, sit on a chair with back support. Do not use a chair with wheels. You can increase the height of your washing area by flipping a bucket and placing the mug and washing soap on a stool so that they are within your reach. Avoid squatting and bending too much. Break the activity in parts and take frequent rest breaks. For example, you may apply soap and rest. Rinse the clothes with water and then rest. Dry the clothes and then rest. By practicing this, you will be able to maintain the desired oxygen level. When you have optimum energy levels, rinse 3 to 4 clothes. Take help for squeezing the water out and for drying the clothes. If you are using a washing machine, load the washing machine while sitting ideally on a chair with back support and avoid squatting. Break the activity in parts and take frequent rest breaks. If you start feeling breathless, immediately stop the activity and take rest. Monitor oxygen levels. Do not resume the activity until your oxygen levels improve. After washing the clothes either by hand or washing machine, keep the following points in mind. Lift the bucket of washed clothes from your legs and not from your back. Always remember to slide the bucket rather than picking it up. Fold and iron clothes while seated on a chair with back support. Eventually, carry out the activity while standing.